welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to give this thing here a little review. It's the Dikla Sonic Electric Toothbrush. I've been using a sonicare, and this one here is the super deluxe top of the line one, so we're going to give this thing a comparison. It might be tough to compare a less expensive one to the whatever it is, $250 sonicare that has Bluetooth and whatnot in it, so it's kind of ridiculous. It's got way too much going on it, but it was what I got at the time. So we're gonna give this thing a try. This will probably turn it into a travel one for me, so I can just bring this in my luggage and have it as an extra sonic toothbrush, because I like sonic toothbrush. Like when I go travel and I can't even get this open. When I travel and then I end up using just a regular toothbrush, for some reason my teeth just don't feel quite as clean. My pearly whites. It's actually time for me to go back to the dentist. So here we go. So this is what the box looks like. And this is the toothbrush in here. I am having the most difficult time opening boxes, but here we go. So this is what it looks like. So I'll open up all the rest of the pieces and parts and see what's in there. So you can see this box is empty now. And I have two more to go, this and this. So we'll see what these are. So this is the charger, and it looks like it's its own little proprietary little USB to whatever the heck that is. So if you want to take it with you somewhere, make sure you bring the wire. It won't just plug into anything, you won't use anything. And then, I don't even know what, oh, these are, wow! It came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 heads. So we'll just open up one of these so we can see what it looks like here. So this is the head of it, and we'll see it's got a little notch, so it goes in one location there. So it looks kind of cool. Here we'll do a little comparison. Physically, it's like the same height, about the same width too. And now for the magic, let's see. Wow, that's got a pretty good vibration to it. Okay, so here we got them both going. I don't know if you can see how fast they're vibrating. I've got to turn it off. Let's see. I mean, I think that's got a really good, strong. And then, oh, we've got 3 different levels here. As I push it, you can see it gets from, if I hold it down and then I can, see, as I hold it down, I'm able to switch between the different modes. So I'm not sure what these are. There's this mode, that mode, and that mode. It feels like different intensities, but I would say for a sonic toothbrush, this is gonna be way better than any of those battery-powered ones I've ever tried. I've tried some of those ones, or not the battery-powered, the disposable batteries, like the AA ones. Those ones just don't get the powerful. And then when I compare it to this, I would say it on its low mode is probably equivalent to the low mode of my sonicare. So I'm gonna say these are pretty. I don't know if it's gonna last as long, but it seems pretty similar. I mean, as far as the bristles go, this is a very soft brush. This is a more hard one. So that's one difference I see between them. And definitely the heads are different. I wonder if they're interchangeable by any means. Nope, not even close. So they're definitely not interchangeable. So you're gonna have to get replacements of these, although it came with 8 of them. So I would say at the price point, even if each head lasts you like 3 months or something, you'd be talking 2 years worth of this one here. So even if it only lasts for 2 years, you probably saved enough money versus buying one of these things. This here is probably isn't even gonna last 2 years. I always end up getting these things and they last about a year and a half, and then they go bad. That's why I have this new one now, just because the other one went dead. But I would say this is a pretty nice toothbrush. For traveling or something, for having it as an extra toothbrush. This is golden. It's gonna go right in my luggage after this review. And I will be using it there. You can see, it looks like it might even come in different colors. That's the box for it. I guess the black was what was on sale when I bought it, or at least for sale. And wow, there's a lot of instructions. I don't know if you can pause that and zoom in if you need it. But I would say there's not, I mean, it just tells you how to brush your teeth. I would say if you don't know how to brush your teeth at this point in your life, I don't know. Maybe if you're a child, you don't know how. But that is the update on this one here. It's the Dikla toothbrush. It feels as solid as this one. It feels about the same. I mean, I don't know. they feel about the same solid. Charging is gonna be way different. This one here just charges by, I guess, induction charging by being close. This one here, you're gonna have to plug it in, but you plug it in and it charges and whatever, and you're done. So, seems good to me. No idea how long the battery's gonna last on this. If it's, you charge it every 2 weeks or you charge it every few days, I really don't know. But I guess we'll have to try it out and see if there's any update I have. I'm going on a trip in about 2 weeks, so maybe I'll update in the comments after that and let you know how it's worked after that. But otherwise, I'm gonna say thumbs up from me, and thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.